Hi guys, I'm Carol and today I have a very special guest.
Hi, I'm Hadassah.
And this is our program, English for Kids! Today we're gonna teach you how to make a really easy craft.
A sock bunny.
You'll need
A sock.
googly eyes,
Rice or sand.
rubber bands,
A ribbon.
craft glue,
Scissors.
and sequins. Now that you have everything,
Fill your sock with rice.
tie 3 rubber bands to create the tail, the body, and the head.
Children are playing and everybody's saying, so good to see you today. We're all together, the merrier the better, on this Easter holiday. Good to see you today.
Tie a bow around the neck. Glue the eyes.
You can use a sequin to make the nose, or you can draw it with a felt tip pen. Cut the top of the sock in half to create ears on the sock bunny.
Thanks for watching our video.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like, comment and share our video. Bye bye and Happy Easter!
Holiday.